Y'all remember yesterday when we read the story Measuring Penny? What was Penny?
A dog.
Penny was a dog. So guess what we're going to do today? We're going to use dog biscuits. And we're going to measure some things, okay?
Those look like some good dog
They
biscuits.
look like good dog biscuits. Okay. What is this? It's a dog biscuit, but what type of measurement would we say that is? Would that be standard or non-standard?
Non-standard.
That would be non-standard. Non-standard. What would be a standard form?
A ruler.
A ruler, and we need a ruler. We did this definition today, didn't we? What are these? These are units of what?
Inches.
Of inches. Of inches. Okay, well, we're going to do non-standard first. So Christian, he's going to be our first recorder. So Christian, we have all of these things here that we're going to measure using non-standard. Which one do you want to start with?
The dollar bill.
Okay, we're going to start with the dollar. So get your pencil. Alright, you see where it says object? Okay, we need to write dollar. Now, the next part is estimation. What does that mean? Do you remember what estimation means? Think back to science. When I say, give me an estimate, I'm asking you to give me a, well, not a problem, a guess. Remember, a guess, a reasonable guess. So, let's look at this dollar bill, and let's look at our non-standard doggy bone here. What would you estimate the length of the dollar bill to be using the doggy bones? What do you think, Logan? How long do you think? How many dog bones?
Like 5?
Okay, he says 5. What do you think? How many of these do you think it would take to measure the length of the dollar? 10? What do you think?
7.
You think 7. Okay, well, let's write down our estimates. We have 5, 10, and 7. Okay, well, now let's measure, okay? Saber, you want to do first? All right, so Saber, take these. All right. Put them up there. Let's measure. Let's see how long it is. Can you reach it? Pull it this way so you can reach closer. Six. Wow, y'all were pretty close. Who said 5?
Me.
And who said 7?
Me.
And who said 10?
Me.
Good, y'all were really close. So, the only thing is we need to make sure that we put the doggy bones right next to each other too, right? So we don't want to leave any spaces. Could we fit? You think we could fit one more on the end, or do you think that would be too long?
One more.
You think it'd be too long? What do you think?
Too long.
Yeah, it looks a little too long. So we did a good estimate. Very good job. So now the recorder, do you see where it says bones? We're going to put 6 bones. All right. Logan, would you like to measure it in inches using our standard? Okay. All right. So you measure it for us and see what it would be. Now make sure we're using this side because that's our inch side.
6 to me.
What did we get?
6.
6. Look at that. It's right at the very end, isn't it? So we would say that the dollar is 6
inches long.
6 inches long. So can you put 6?
Right there.
Now we can abbreviate inches.
And we can tell that it's the same because we use 6.
Do you know how to abbreviate inches? What do you think? You think we're going to put here because it's like money. We have to put a dollar sign, right, when we do money, because if you just have an amount, we can't just say 25. It has to be 25 what? So for inches to abbreviate, it's I-N. Put it I-N. Okay, who wants to be the next recorder? Okay, let's pass it. You got a pencil? Okay. All right, what object do we want to do next? Okay, we're going to do the math journal next. All right, so now we have to estimate first, right? We have to do a guess, right? So Logan, you do yours first.
I would say like 10.
Okay, we're estimating 10. What's your estimate? Okay, he's got 12. You writing this down? Okay, we got a 10. Just write it down under there. We got 10. And then, oh, he said 12. Okay, what do you think, Sabra? How many doggy bones long do you think that is? Journal. Okay, so are you reckon? I think, can I do an estimate?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going to go with, I'm going to go with 9. Can you write mine down? Okay, you want to measure this time using the doggy bones? Okay. Let's make sure we got
Can't leave no space.
Eight. Ooh, who was the closest? I was the closest.
I was the
Next.
second closest.
Yeah, because you had 10. But is 12 a bad estimate?
No.
No, 12's not a bad estimate. What would, not a very good estimate would be if we said 100.
Why she put?
That would be way too
that was
high.
hers.
Yeah, she added mine on there. Okay, so let's actually measure. You want to measure using our standard, which is the ruler? Okay, Christian, let's see.
How are we gonna do my 8 again? That was like 7.5.
Ah, 7.5. 7.5. Very good. Inches long. Okay, do you know how to write 7.5? Okay, we're going to put 7.
Oops.
Oh, yep, we forgot that.
8.
8. All right, we're going to put 7 point or dot 5. Now we got to put the abbreviation inches, which is IN. We always have to put what we're talking in. Good. Okay. Which one do you want to do next? We've done this, we've done the math journal and the dollar.
That was my math journal.
Yeah, just, okay. Let's do the block.
I'll do it.
Okay, have you used the doggy bones yet? Okay, well first we have to estimate. How long do you think it is? Doggy bones. 4. 4. What's your estimate, Sabra? 4. Okay, so everybody's 4. I'm going to go with 3. Okay. So well, you gotta record this. So let's write down blocks. That's okay. And let's just write our estimate underneath the blocks. So we've got, everybody says 4, and I say 3.
3 4s.
Okay. Okay, Preston, your turn. 4. Well, it's pretty close. Because remember, on our length, when we measure our length, it has to go from end to end. So look at the block. It doesn't stop right there, does it? We've got this little thing sticking out, too. So it's not quite 4.
Just 4.5.
It's a little more than 3, but not quite 4. So let's do another little estimation here. I would say it's about 3. I would say about 3. So can you write that under bones? Can you put about 3?
Bones. About.
Yeah, about.
A-B-O-U-T.
3. Gotta have our measurement. Okay, so now let's do some inches. Saber? Okay.
She didn't start from the 1.
Kelly, I'm done with the book.
Oh, he's saying that you didn't start with the 1. What are you measuring?
Blocks.
Yeah, but what's the inches that you're measuring? What?
I'm thinking about 4.
Okay, can you just do like this? Okay, can y'all see this? I'm gonna turn this around. What looks odd about that?
She didn't start at 1.
We gotta start all the way. Now look, it's not starting at the 1. We have to start at the 0. This is like a 0 down here. So we gotta start at the 0. So now when you start at the 0, what's your measurement?
3 inches.
3 inches. Good. Can you record that?
What?
Just 3, and then we have to put the abbreviation, inches. I-N, that's right. Okay, let's do one more. Has everybody had a turn?
Yeah.
Okay, Christian. What you want to do? You do the color crayon? Okay. Alright, you're back to the recorder. So we have to write down our object. Go ahead, yeah. What would you say? You would say about what?
Miss Kelly, I say 3.
Okay.
3. 5.
Okay. He estimates 5. How about you?
7.
7. Okay, I'm not going to estimate on this one. I'm going to let y'all do it. Okay, Logan. 1, 2, 3. Could we put another one?
No, it's going to be too long.
You think it'd be too long?
Too long.
Okay, so we would say that it's about 3 bones. About 3 bones.
I was close.
You were close.
Who put 5? Me and Saber had 3.
Can you put about 3? Logan, you want to do the actual measurement using inches?
Yeah, I say it's 3. It's about 3.5.
It's about 3.5. If you want to put 3.5, we can. Do you remember how to show half?
3 point. I know.
3 point or dot 5 inches. How about good job?
That's my piece.
Inches. I-N. Abbreviation. Okay, let's do one more. I said that was going to be the last one, but let's do one more. Let's do this. But how long do you think the top of the desk is?
That's not.
Using doggy bones. Using doggy bones. Oh, it's your turn. Okay. So can you record desk?
Listen, man.
Ah.
I'll say about
Okay, well, let's estimate using these first. What do you think? Here's 1.
I think it's about like 90.
90? Okay, what do you think?
No. I don't got this card.
What do you think?
About like 20.
20. Okay.
I think about like
What do you think, Sabra?
30 for me.
I thought you said 90, so you're changing? Okay. What you think? 27. Okay, write down 27. Christian changed his to 30. You can use this eraser. So he changed his to 30. And what did you say?
Need another eraser. Okay.
What did you say? 20. Okay, can I estimate this time? Okay, I'm gonna go with 30. I'm gonna go with 30. Okay, let's do this one. Let's do this one together. You guys start on this end, and then we'll start on this end, okay?
Your desk could be smelling like dog bone. Now if I wash it. Wash it with some water.
Come on, Logan, you want to help?
I know. Wash it with your spit.
Oh, Logan. All right, here, let's slide these. Okay.
Yeah, we're almost finished.
Okay,
Still one.
finish it out.
I'll play it one over.
Okay.
We can't have one
Yep.
more.
Well, hold on. Let's slide these
down.
down. Let's slide these down because that's hanging off.
It's crooked.
Ah, you can't make it crooked. Okay, so let's count them. Ready?
It's still crooked.
There. Is that better? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
25. 25. We weren't.
I was
That's too good.
I was really
Close. It's 30. I said 30. Somebody said 20. You said 20. You said 27. Very wow. That's awesome.
What was it? 25?
All right. So let's see. You gonna do inches?
Yeah. I'll do
All
it.
right. Well, now look. What are we gonna do here?
Oh, yeah, I do.
What are we gonna do here?
We have one more. Two never do.
Oh well. What if we don't have to?
We could
How we're gonna?
like that, then like scoot it over something.
Okay, we can scoot it over, but if I scoot it over, and I gotta mark it. Where should I mark it before I scoot it over?
Under it. There, right there.
Right here at the end?
Yeah.
Okay, let's use one of these to mark it. Okay, so now I can move it, right? So how long is this? 12. And then if we move it, what is that?
12.
So 12 plus 12 is, you might know?
2 plus 4. 1 plus
20, 24. So the desk is, how wide is the desk?
24 inches.
24 inches long. Good. Can you record that? 24 inches long.
Bones.
Right here. Well, we didn't write down our bones. Do you remember how many bones?
Yeah, 20, 25.
Yep, Logan's right. 25. Good. All right. Good job, guys.